When we say union, we use the symbol U. Okay, we are going to use this symbol, and it is read as set A union B or A union B. So, in that operation, which are the element that belong to that operation? Ano yung mga nandyan na elements? So, when we say union, it is also interpreted as or, A or B, A union B. You can see at A or you can see at B. So, yung kasali dyan na elements are this part. Okay? It includes yung mga nasa A lang, which are this part, and yung mga nasa B lang, which are this part, and yung nasa both A and B. Okay, are you ready to identify the elements? Okay, let me erase this first. Now, let's identify the elements. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 16, 25, and 36. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to other example. Now, let's have this example. A union B. Tandaan po ang symbol ng union. We use like U. Okay, in this problem, we have the following elements, which are inside the two overlapping circles. All the elements except 6. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. 6 does not belong to A union B. Okay, let us try another example. P union Q. Okay, P union Q. What are the elements that belong to P union Q? So, okay, here we have the elements.